2012 CT200H. The Lexus CT200 Hybrid pairs exceptional fuel efficiency and superior handling ability with aggressive styling to create a luxury hybrid vehicle that looks great and handles even better. Going green never felt and looked so good and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, electronic stability control, power windows, fog lights, CD player, trip computer, rear window defroster, security system, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer, overhead console, power driver seat, tilt steering wheel. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.